Myself Rahul Khandagle, a mechanical graduate, an IGBC AP, having 20 plus experience in HVAC industry, now working as a freelance engineer. In this session, we are going to talk about AHU rooms concerned with the HVAC system. It is basically a utility room meant for distribution of air. It houses the air handling unit, that is AHU, usually the floor mounted one. The AHU receives the chill water from the chill water unit in case of centralized chill water system or refrigerant when connected to the DX outdoor unit. When it comes to space planning, locations of AHU rooms plays a major role. As per the fire norms, each floor should have its own AHU room. There should not be any crossing of ducts from one floor to the other. The AHU room should be located on the periphery area near the staircase or at the central core beside the service lift for ease of service approach. The AHU room should be ideally located one above other on the floors having a common vertical shaft for related services distribution such as chilled water piping, drain piping, fresh air and exhaust etc. We can have one AHU room for a cooling area of 1000 to 1500 square meter. The approximate size of the AHU room may be 4 meter by 6 meter or 5 meter by 6 meter depending on the size of the AHU. The clear height of the AHU room should be minimum 3.5 meter. The AHU room should have minimum space of 1000 mm where the access door for the fan, piping connections and filter remover is required. The AHU room shall not have any window opening or glass so as to minimize the heat load to the return air gain. The AHU room shall be fire rated for minimum 120 minutes. The door width of the AHU room should be minimum 1400 mm, openable on the outer side. The door shall have fire rating of minimum 120 minutes. Fire rated sealants to be provided in the civil opening around the services such as ducts, fire dampers, piping, electrical cabling, etc. The AHU room to be acoustically insulated to minimize the noise transfer to the occupied areas. The AHU room should have provision of potable water supply for cleaning of filters. The AHU room should have flow drains to drain out the water used during cleaning of filters or overflowed during clogging issues. The AHU room should not be next to the toilet or an electrical shaft which obstructs the routing of the supply or another duct. Any two adjacent walls of the AHU room should be free for routing of supply and returner ducts. The AHU room should have space for mounting of electrical panel and VFDs. The AHU room should have lock and key for safety purpose and should be accessible for the operation and maintenance personnel only. Thank you. See you again. For your queries and suggestions, I am available at rjk.hvc2020@gmail.com.